Hey, so weird question. If you replaced every single part of your body over time, like every cell, would you still be you? Today we're looking at one of philosophy's weirdest riddles, the Ship of Theseus. Spoiler alert, it'll make you question literally everything, and I'm here for it. Okay, imagine Theseus, the ancient Greek hero who slayed the Minotaur. Pretty cool dude. He's got this awesome ship, the Ship of Theseus. Very on-brand naming, Greeks. Now here's where it gets weird. Over hundreds of years, the ship gets damaged. A plank rots, replace it. A sail tears, new sail. The mast gets all crusty, you guessed it, new mast. Eventually, every single piece of the original ship has been replaced. So here's the question that'll keep you up at night. Is it still the same ship? This isn't just some random shower thought. This riddle comes from ancient Greece, specifically from Plutarch, a historian writing around 100 AD, way later than Theseus's time. So ancient Greek philosophers were basically arguing about thought experiments the way we argue about Marvel movies. The big brain philosophers who loved this puzzle? Thomas Hobbes got involved, John Locke, Descartes. These guys were obsessed with it, and they couldn't agree, like at all. Some said, it's the same ship because it maintains continuity. The ship gradually changes just like your body does. Others said, it's a different ship. If someone collected all the original planks and rebuilt the ship, that would be the real Ship of Theseus. And honestly, both make sense, which is why philosophers are still arguing about it today. Your cells die and replace constantly. Scientists say like 99% of your atoms are replaced every 7-10 years. So technically, you're not the same person physically you were a decade ago. Yet you're still you. What about your phone? You get a software update, then another one. Maybe you replace the battery, then the screen, then the battery again. Is it still the same phone? Philosophically? Legally? Insurance companies would say yes, because you're still paying for it. What if you started your Instagram account in 2013 posting selfies and food pics? Now you post career advice and existential memes. Your aesthetic is completely different. Your values evolved. Your followers are different people. Is it still the same Instagram account? Technically, yes. Philosophically, you tell me. Look at any company that's been around 50+ years. Different CEO, different products, different headquarters, different values sometimes. Is it the same company? Apple today looks nothing like Apple in 1976. They're not even making computers anymore, not primarily. Are they the same company? Legally, yes. Philosophically? The Ship of Theseus has entered the chat. So what does this really mean for how we think about identity? This riddle teaches us that identity isn't as concrete as we think. We want clear answers. Is it the same or different? But reality doesn't work in yes or no boxes. It tells us that continuity matters. Even though every part changes, the continuous experience and function that makes something feel like itself. It also shows us that perspective matters. Whether it's the same ship depends on which definition of sameness you're using. Physical, historical, functional. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. And maybe most importantly, our identities are processes, not fixed things. You're not the same person you were 5 years ago. But there's a continuous line connecting past you to present you. So how does this apply to the future? Think about AI and uploading consciousness. If we could scan your brain and create a digital copy, would it be you? Your original biological brain would still exist somewhere. Which one is the real you? Or head transplants? Genuinely possible technology. If your head was transplanted onto a different body, are you still you? Gene editing, body enhancement, digital avatars, brain-computer interfaces. All of these futures rely on us figuring out what actually makes something the same. And honestly, the Ship of Theseus might be the most important thought experiment for understanding identity in a rapidly changing world. So the next time someone asks you what you've learned about yourself, remember, you're not the same person you were, but you're also not someone totally new. you're the Ship of Theseus. And that's actually the coolest thing. If you have thoughts about which ship is the real Ship of Theseus, please scream about it in the comments. Philosophers have been doing it for 2,000 years. Why should you be different? Thanks for watching, and thanks for thinking about weird stuff with me. Subscribe if you want more philosophical riddles that'll make your brain hurt in the best way possible.